The topic of today's video is how to fix Steam game no license found error. So most important thing to do would be to make sure you have an internet connection because Steam might need to update, and in order to follow some of the steps we're gonna need that anyways. Also, if you have multiple Steam accounts, make sure you're signed in to the correct Steam account for the game you're trying to launch and that you are launching it via Steam. Alright, so here we are in Steam and we want to go to the Steam icon and then we want to click on settings. In settings we want to go to downloads, and in downloads we want to go to clear cache. Once we're done there, we're going to go to the offending game and we're going to click on the settings cog on the right hand side, and we're going to click on installed files and just verify the integrity of the game files. That will check if there's any weird things happening and download any missing files. And hopefully that fixes your error. I would go about just closing Steam, maybe even restarting your PC and then checking if we still have the same problem. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.